बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम एमसीक्यू काइट रनर के फर्स्ट व्हाट इज ए काइट रनर समवन हु रिट्रीव द लूजिंग काइट ऑफ ए काइट bottle. Second, how did Ali come into Baba's family? Option 1, Ali parents were killed and Baba's father, who judged the murder trial, took him in. Third, what is it that worries Baba about Amar? Second option, Amar who cannot stand up for himself, becoming a man who cannot stand up to anything. Option number 4, how is Hussain Cliff lip fix? Baba pay for the surgery as a birthday gift to Hassan. Fifth, why does Amar think Baba does not love him full? Option number A. Baba holds him responsible for the death of his wife, Amar's mother, who died giving birth to Amar. 6. Why does not Amar stop Hassan's rape? He is afraid and also wanted to below kite, which he can only get by not interfering. 7th, what does Amar put under Hassan's matters to frame him? Third option, money he revived for his birthday and the watch Baba gave him. Option number 8, why do Baba and Amar leave Kabul? Third option, the mention by the Russian have turned the country into a dangerous war zone. Option number 9, when Baba and Amar feel Kabul, what does Baba say to Russian guard who tries to rape the woman in the truck with them? Third option, he saved is even more important in time of war. 10. Where do Baba and Amar end up in the US? Fourth, Formosa, California. What does Amar decide to study in college? English. Where does Amar meet Furia? The flat market. When Baba is diagnosed with lung cancer and Amar says he does not know what to do without him, what does Baba tell Amar? That he was been trying to teach Amar how to live without him for Amar's whole life, which accurately described the traditional Afghan way of pro- professing marriage, which we see in the novel. Third option, the man's father asks constant from the woman's father. What do Amar and Savera what to do but are not able to have baby? What does Rahim Khan say to Amar to convince Amar to go to Pakistan? There is a way to be good again. How is Hassan feel father? Baba. What does Rahim Khan want Amar to go to Kabul so he can get Sorab and bring him back to Pakistan? 19. Why does Fried intellectually dislike Amar? 4th, Farid thought Amar was returning to Kabul to sell property. What do Farid and Amr see during the halftime show of Secure Game in Kabul? A man and a woman thrown to death. Why does Amr laugh when Afif beats him? He feels relief from his guilt. 22. What if it's significant that Surab shoots out Afif's eye with his slingshot? Hassan once saved Amr from Afif with a slingshot. उसने गलेल के जरिए से उसकी आंख में पत्थर मारा. Why does Amr have difficult adopt Sohrab? Second, Amr have no paper providing Sohrab. Parents are dead. What will Sohrab no longer do after he attempts suicide? Speak. What metamorphosis does Amr use to explain the importance of Sohrab smiling? When spring comes, it metals the snow, one flag at a time.